Hello viewer, welcome to Aveiro, the Portuguese gem often referred to as the Venice of Portugal. Now for those of you who aren't familiar, let me show you a city filled with canals, colorful buildings that could brighten up the gloomiest of days, and a rich history that's just waiting to be explored. Aveiro isn't just any ordinary city. It's a place where tradition meets modernity, where you can hop on one of those iconic Moliceiros boats that were once used for harvesting vegetation and now offer scenic tours of the city's waterways. It's like stepping into a postcard. And let's not forget about those vibrant buildings. Who needs sunshine when you've got a rainbow of colors lighting up the streets? And those flowers, they are like little bursts of happiness in bloom, spreading joy to anyone who passes by. The main canal cuts through the city center. On a sunny day, the colors are so bright, you might need sunglasses just to take it all in. It's like nature's own Instagram filter, turning every view into a picture-perfect moment. Now, as we stroll down the quiet streets, lined with traditional Portuguese buildings, you can't help but feel like you've stepped back in time. It's like being transported to a different era, where every corner holds a story waiting to be told. And then there is Praça da República, with its majestic monument and the theatre. It's a hub of culture and activity, where you can soak in the rich tapestry of Aveiro's heritage. But let's talk about Portuguese pavement for a moment. Sure, it's a true work of art, but those intricate designs can leave you feeling a bit dizzy, don't you think? It's all part of the experience, though adding a touch of whimsy to the city streets. And as we roam through Infante Dom Pedro Park, surrounded by lush greenery and the relaxing sounds of nature, you can't help but feel a sense of peace wash over you. It's a sanctuary in the midst of the bustling city, a place to unwind and reconnect with the world around you. And hey, who can forget about those ducks having a bit of a fight in the pond? I've never seen ducks so aggressive. And that seagull up there just enjoying the show from above? Priceless. But amidst all the chaos, there is always a moment of calm, like that pigeon sitting so undisturbed by the water. Wouldn't it be great if we could all be as relaxed as that pigeon, enjoying the moment without any worries? Welcome to Passarella. Climb up and enjoy the breathtaking view from above. Don't miss the sight of that proud pigeon sitting on top of the birdhouse. Next up, behold the timeless beauty of the classic Portuguese bench adorned with azulejos. And how about that playground? It looks so inviting. I couldn't resist the urge to join in the fun. As we continue, take a glimpse of the charming local townhouses that line the streets. Now we arrive at Igreja de Nossa Senhora da Glória. Let's step inside and explore its wonders. So my friends, as we say goodbye to Aveiro, let's take a moment to appreciate the beauty and charm of this wonderful city. Whether it's the canals, the colorful buildings, or the serene parks, there is something here for everyone to enjoy. And finally, on this special occasion of All Saints' Day, I felt compelled to visit Cemitério Central de Aveiro. It's a day when Portuguese families gather to pay homage to their departed loved ones. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends who are planning a trip to Aveiro, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more adventures in Portugal. So until next time, keep exploring, keep discovering, and above all, keep smiling!